Let's cook some momo with 3 easy steps. For red spicy chutney, I took 8 chilies and 1 tomato and boiled it for 5 minutes. To prepare dough, take 1 cup of maida, add 1 tablespoon of salt and vegetable oil and prepare the dough nice and soft as you can see and keep it for some time. Step 3. Prepare filling. We need half cabbage, 1 onion and 1 carrot. Chop them very well. Here I am using Wonder Chef for nice and small pieces of vegetable. You can see the texture. The vegetable has cut very small and nice. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, add chopped green chilies and add the chopped vegetables into the pan. We will cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. When the mixture turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of black pepper and red chili powder and mix it. Our filling is ready. Let's keep it aside and prepare red spicy chutney. Now take the boiled tomato, remove its skin and cut into small pieces. Chop 3 to 5 garlic and small amount of ginger. Add boiled red chilies and tomato pieces into the mixer. Now your paste will look something like this. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, add chopped garlic and finely chopped onion and stir them well until they turn golden brown. Add chili and tomato puree into the mixture and stir them well. Add 1 spoon of Ching's Chinese red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of salt into the sauce and mix it well. Let's prepare outer cover of the momo. Take a ball of dough and make it as a flat bread. Put the filling inside of that flat bread and use some water into the corners of the bread and seal the bread nice and fine. Now you can see the momo is ready. Before steaming the momos, make sure you have greased the plate with 1 or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now let's steam the momo for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our momos are ready to eat. You can serve with the red chili sauce and mayonnaise. Thanks for watching.